Question 3, they're saying we should simplify 154 and 132 in its simplest form. This thing is ratio, right? Now for ratio, I'm going to look for what? Highest common factor between 154 and 132. So prime product again quickly. Prime product of 54, how much is that?
I said 7.
Hmm?
6.
Prime product, no, I want to tell you prime product of 154.
2
Uh-huh.
and 7 times 11.
So is that a prime?
And then 132?
2 to the power 2 or 2 squared.
2 then exponent of
2 times 3 times 11.
times 11. So now what's common here?
2
2
and 11.
and 11. And then lowest exponent of 2 is 1. Lowest exponent of 11 is 1. Meaning we are going to have 22. So this 22 is the one we're going to divide 154 with. We divide this with 22. We divide that as well with 22. 154 divided by 22, how much is that?
7.
7. And then 132 divided by 22?
6.
6. And then that is our simplest form.
So I'm going to do it as you did, but then
You don't do it that way, but you got the same answer. Table, any questions? Are you coming okay? Okay. And then this increase and decrease ones, they usually ask them, right? But did you guys do this in class? Decreasing something in a ratio? So,
So I can't remember. I'm stressed about the test now.
So meaning this is correct.
which one?
It's just
All integers
the set under the test.
For what?
I don't know what's in it.
Is it math? No, it's not the math. When is that?
Okay, so I was supposed to get some those answer.
You will see in flames.
7 never option right. I got the method right, but they were too out. Not I forgot, I forgot to unfold.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what did you want? Do you want 10 out of 10?
Yes.
It's a now. What do you want me? Eh? You. Hmm? Let me just get back to this guy.
You guys don't know.
So you first find what is it?
Yesterday my friend was on there and then you went to
So you first find one
you see before I'm eating and buying that thing. You see, I'm telling you to skip, I'm telling you to skip. See, we're on a 1 hour call at 9 from 9 o'clock. This day, then. Okay, great.
Ngiwona leza ke class no so akupa nantsi re ata sa go dithupa ke nna ke yona motaka. Should we continue now? So this part, this question here, 3.2 and 3.3. For now in class, I get 28. Okay. And I think I told you guys to skip it as well, right? Skip. Which one? This one. Yeah, I did pause. But did I say you guys should skip this one, or did I say you guys should skip these two?
No, they said 3.2 and 3.3. They said 3.1 and 3.2.
So by second. Okay, anyway, it's fine. It's okay. What I meant is for you guys to skip 3.2 and 3.3. So now in class, we are going to continue with 3.4. Ne? So on 3.4, for 3.4, it goes as follows. They're saying we should share this much. Sometimes instead of them saying we should share it, they would say we should divide it. But dividing and sharing, it's one and the same thing. I think all of you guys should be good at this one. I see a lot of you, when you see this calculation, mostly you guys get so happy because that easiest one where you're going to add 3 plus 5 plus 7 with 15.
So what hurts you about is that we say you should use method, but in the test, we say it's a master methods.
No, you should always have a method. Like you should show how you get your calculations. So we have this, and then we're going to divide this much with that much, right? So we have 2,100 divided by 15, 140. And then now we're going to multiply 3 times 140 is equals to, and then we have 3, is it 5 now? Yeah. Then you have 5 times 140, and lastly we have 7 times 140. For the first one, how much do you guys get?
It's just
420. The second one? 700. Last one? It should be more than 700. 180. Are you okay now?
So we have to show
that calculation. That's why it's 3 marks. So you have to show everything, how you got things.
So now that's I will have to 2015.
And I think you would lose marks when doing it that way. So do it better now. Do it better. And then we have 3.5. Did I say you guys should do it as well?
No.
I said you guys should skip it. They say Michelle and Temba are traveling from Cape Town to Johannesburg by a car. They travel 30 kilometers in 18 minutes. They continue at this constant speed. How far will they have traveled in 148 minutes? Right? So the first one, they said in 30 kilometers, they take how long? 18 minutes, right?
Yes.
And then now they want us to, if ever they have traveled now 1 hour plus 48 minutes, how much is that? Quickly check it. We have 60 minutes plus 48. Oh yes, 108, right? So in 108 minutes, in 108 minutes. Now, how long did they travel? So if they're saying how long they travel, what are they looking for?
X.
For X. It's a kilometer, right? Then you simply cross multiply. 30 times 108, how much is that?
3,240. Yeah, 3,240.
2,000?
240.
2,300 and...
200.
Okay, let's go again. You said how much?
3,240. It's 3,240.
3,240 is equals to 18x, right? Because I'm going to multiply 18 by x. And then now when you divide both sides by 18, how much you guys get? 180. Meaning in that time they would have traveled 180 kilometers. Should I do it again? Okay. Let's put it now. Let us put it now on record because I not recorded. Hey, let me just pick up this call quickly. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now come probably before 4 o'clock. I'm making up at 4. Thank you so much. Sure. Bye-bye. Okay, now let's record it. Like I said, they said Michelle and Temba are traveling from Cape Town to Johannesburg, right? They travel 30 kilometers in 18 minutes. So we have 30 kilometers. And you also have 18 minutes. And then they continue at this constant speed. How far will they have traveled in 1 hour, 48 minutes? So I said we convert this into minutes. So we're going to have 60 minutes plus 48 minutes, which will then give us 108 minutes. Okay? So we have 108 minutes here. We should write minutes under minutes. And then they're saying how far, meaning when they're saying how far, it means they're looking for the distance. Which distance we'll write that side. Then we cross multiply. Then you guys said 30 times 108 is 3,240. In fact, let me just use a different color. 3,240. And then x times 18 is 18. X, then you divide both sides by 18. Therefore, our x will give us how much? 180. 180 kilometers. Rashav must know.
Yes.
Fine.